Today I wanna show you about the bamboos, but this behind of my bags. Bamboo this kind, the bamboo shoot cannot eat, but the brand only brand like this, you can make the stick for you for the drinking beer or drinking drinks. You can make to make the like use plastic pie, and then to make this inside we have hole. But this is kind you can make the stick for the drinking also. But the bamboo shoot cannot eat. We have shoot but smaller. But this Chinese Japan bamboo. But we only the display around the restaurant, around the buildings. So I will show you the more kind of the one more kind of the bamboo can eat. The bamboo shoot can eat. Okay, let's go. The code is now let when I see the bamboo shoot together. That but this shoot cannot bamboo shoot cannot eat, but only display for the decoration around the restaurants. And this is for garden, and I will wanna show you about the bamboo shoot can make the recipe for making the food, and go together. This is over there. Okay, now we arrive the bamboo farm. Now this is, you see this bamboo shooting, bamboo shoot can make the food the good tasting and good delicious, very nice to make food. And everyone ever eat 10 before, but this is good for make the food my soup, or can make the something if you like, because my country's this is the good food make the soup. This is nice. Around the garden we grow the bamboo also to make to harvest the bamboo shoot. Okay, many it is smaller, but it is bigger one, longer, round. Just some is growing around this. This is good for you to make the recipe, to make the food. This have you ever eaten before? So if you like, if you need, you will more and more like, because so nice. This is bamboo, sweet bamboo. We have many kind of bamboo, but this bamboo is can make the food very well, because it's sweet bamboo. Okay, thank you for all of you to support my channel. Always support, and hope you good luck everyone. Okay, thank you, bye bye.